Hi everyone, bonjour et bienvenue. It's Back Passionate and today we are going to talk about this. Hi, welcome. So let's start from the beginning. I love colors and for a long time now I am looking for a lilac bag. And I mean real lilac, not violet, not lavender, real lilac. And because I already have violet bags and I've got one in a perfect violet shade in leather from Longchamp. I have to show it to you one day. But I was still dreaming of a lilac bag, and happily this year a lot of the designer brands have produced lilac bag. But most of the time, the shade for me was not perfect. I mean, sometimes it was too pink or too dark, and it was not the perfect shade. And a few weeks ago, I saw some videos, and I show video about Mulberry bags. And I know the brand. I know their it bag, the Alexa, and but I was not into too much in the brand because the Alexa bag, even if it is really cute and really beautiful, it does not suit my style, and for this reason I never tend to discover Mulberry. And this time I told myself, okay, you got time, let's go on the internet and check what the brand proposed now. And I am super happy to have done it because first I discover more bags they are making, and a lot of models are really cute. And wow, I think I found the perfect lilac shade on a bag that will, I'm pretty sure, will fit my style. And wow, so I directly ordered it because we are here where I'm living in Provence. We do not have any Mulberry shop, so I ordered it on the website, and the package comes from Germany because Mulberry is a British brand, and in Great Britain they are Mulberry shop. There's also one in Germany, but I will not travel to Germany, it's not plain. So I have to order it on the website, and happily they deliver France. So without further ado, I opened the box, and I will include the video because the box was a little bit scratched and damaged, so I opened it because I was afraid for the inside, but no. It was well protected. So here is the bag of Mulberry, like if I... I love the color, it's really, really cute. I also got in the box an envelope with my invoice. The paper is really high quality. It's really, really high quality. It's a bit grain and yes, very chic. I love the attention they brought to the details, because the envelope is a detail, and yes, I like this quality. So, oops, let's open it together. and this cover. I just saw the bag on internet, but the pictures were really good, and yes, I'm pretty sure the shade is what I'm looking for so long, and if not, I will tell you that I am disappointed, but I'm sure it's okay. So inside, it is presented, oops, like that. So there's a wrapping paper with the Mulberry logo. Quite cute. Up, the ribbon. And, well, it's not like that. The bag is in a plastic bag. Up, let's take it. So, let's open it up. I put that away. So let's discover together. So there's a dust bag with the name of a brand, Mulberry, England. Okay, they called it a care bag. It was made with sustainably sourced cotton. Cool! The pull cord has been crafted with 100% recycled materials. It's good. It's really good and really soft. I love the material. So, dun, 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 dun. Oh yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. It's the pictures were really good on the website because it's exactly how I imagined the bag. Okay, so let's discover together the model of bag I've picked from Mulberry, and look at this color. Oh, I love it. I really love it. So let's unwrap it. They protect it because you will see there's the lock. I go carefully because I don't know how it was wrapped. Okay, so like this, you know, there's what, like this to protect the lock. Oh, well. And there's also protection here. So I will turn the lock. Look, the lock with a name. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. I love it. So let's unwrap. Just, it's a bit sad that it was not in tissue, because it will be great when I store the bag to have the tissue to put to preserve the lock. But okay, not a major fact, but it's just my thought. Up, there's a pocket. And, well, there's a bunch of paper to keep the foam. I will maybe, yes, I will keep them. Oh yes, once, there's again. And look at this gorgeous baby! Oh my God. Oh yes, it's, oops, sorry. I did not notice, but there's this. Okay, I put it like this. What is this? I don't know the brand, so I don't know what it is. Okay, it's a tag with the name of the reference of the bag. Okay, and this one. Oh, it's a care booklet, I think. It's a care booklet. Yes, Mulberry Care Guide. Okay, Heavy Grain, and because Cuir Grainé. Oh, it's in French. Oh, that's cool. In French, Spain. I presume it's Chinese. Oh, cool. Okay, I'll read it later. So, a care booklet, a tag with all information about the bag. So, oh, Oh, yes, yes, yes. I can tell. Really, I repeat, but the pictures were right. So I got the small Anthony. Sorry, I take it to mine. I hug him. I'm so happy. This is the small Anthony in heavy grain. You know how I love a grain leather. And the name of the color is Lilac Blossom. And I can tell it was really the perfect lilac shade. I mean, not too pinky, not too violet, not too dark, not too lavender, sorry, I think you say lavender in English, because lavender turns to the blue. No, this one is really lilac. And what makes me really decide on this bag is that it is crossbody or on your shoulder. I will include mod shot. But the bag is not too small. I will include the dimension. And something that really is important for me, the hardware, all the hardware. Oops, I forgot. All the hardware is in silver. And okay, I love gold, but I prefer silver hardware. And most of the lilac bag and violet bag that I see, and most of the time they have gold hardware, and I really prefer silver hardware. So when I saw it, the shade was good, the hardware was like I love. Oh my God! I directly order it, and I'm really happy because, well, it's really nice. The model seems to be old. The Anthony bag small exists for a long time now, but I am happy it is still produced and that they made in funny colors. So you open it with a turn lock. You have a big compartment. Oops, sorry. And inside you got a nice tissue, really nice tissue. Here you can see Mulberry, England. And in front you got a tiny flap pocket. I don't know what it fits, but a card or the key, I don't know. And that's all. So it's simple, easy, yes, perfect. No fit, but it's quite normal as it is a crossbody shoulder bag. And yes, that's all. And oh yes, the strap is not removable, but it is adjustable. You got here and here. And yes, it's really thick. Yes, thick. And yeah, I know, I'm really happy because even the stitches, yes, they are first perfect, and the color of the stitches are really in lilac. So no, I'm really happy. Okay, so you will have mod shot, and I will also make a tiny because I do not have my bag with me right now, so I just take it to open it and discover it with you. But oh yes, I can tell I can fit my phone, all my essentials easily. And yes, I'm really happy. And I'm happy because it's my very first Mulberry bag. And I will be happy to make a review of this bag once I will use it for a long time. So for the moment, I cannot recommend it. Yes, I can recommend it because it's really cute. And but I will use it and tell you if it was a good purchase. And for me, it's a good purchase because it got all the quality I was looking for a lilac bag. But if you want to know if the leather is good and if it is easy to use for every day, I will tell you in the future. And concerning price, the price, okay, it's a bit high. We cannot tell, but for a luxury brand and the bag of this size, it's okay. I have paid 575 € for this bag. So, thanks for watching, and oh yes, I really love it. I hope with my light you will see correctly, and I will try to make some pics outside, and you can show perfectly this color, because yeah, oh yes, this color is really insane. And yes, I will present you one day all the lilac and all the violet things I've got, because I am a huge fan of this color. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful, or just you had fun with me discovering this little cutie. And do not hesitate to give a thumbs up, or why not subscribe to my channel? It will be nice. Merci d'avoir regardé, j'espère que ça vous a plu, passez une très bonne journée, à très bientôt, have a great day, see you soon, bye guys! Hi, salut, c'est encore moi, it's me again. Sorry, I could not leave you like that. We must test what it can fit, okay? So let's go. So, I just throw my essential on the table, and let's see what I can put inside my new bag from Mulberry. So, my wallet from Chamvat. Now all people know about this guy. My phone, Bastiacon purse, Calvi card holder, hand sanitizer, notebook. Does it fit? Yeah, it fits. Some tissue. Okay, so now we are in this position. So, at the moment, I'm using hand cream. Just a point, I'm using Nuxe or Occitane, just to let you know, and both are really cool, because I need really my hand to be hydrated. Yes, can I? Hey, yes! It fits, guy. Woo! And close perfectly. Okay, it was just a tiny video, but oh yes, I was so excited. I love this bag, and I have to show you what can fit inside. Bye, see you soon.